Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and enjoying this lecture series. So today we are going to start your chapter number 2, that is chemistry of lanthanides elements. First, we start this chapter. Firstly, you have to know about what are inner transitions element. So the inner transitions element constituent the F block are those in which 4f and 5f orbitals are filled, right? And these elements are formal member of group 3 in a periodic table of F block elements, and these elements of F block also called as a inner transitions element. એટલે કે inner transitions elements કોને કહેવાય કે which have incomplete d and f orbital in their p nucleate and pre p nucleate cells respectively, right? And their generally electron configuration is represented by n-2 F14 n-1 S2 n-1 P6 n-1 and D0 to 1 NS2. How? I will show you here. Inner transition elements are the elements which have incomplete d and f orbitals in their penultimate and pre-multimate cells, right, respectively. And the electronic configurations, their general electronic configuration is n-2 F14 n-1 S2 n-1 P6 n-1 D0 to 1 NS2, where n is the outermost cell, n-1 is the pre-multimate shell, and n-2 is the penultimate shell, where n is outermost shell, n-1 is penultimate એટલે કે એની અંદરની શેલ, n-2 એટલે એની અંદરની શેલ, બરાબર? એને શું કહી શકાય? પ્રીનલ્ટિમેટ shell. Now, an inner transitions element, the filling of elements take place in the inner f orbitals. Therefore, it is also known as a f block elements. In inner transitions elements, filling of elements take place in inner F orbitals. Therefore, it is known as F block element, right? So based on a filling of electrons in the inner F orbitals, two inner transition series are known. First series corresponding to filling of 4f orbital is known as the lanthanide series or lanthaniums, and the second series corresponding to 5f orbitals is known as the actinide series, simply called actinoids, right? Based on filling of electrons in inner F orbitals, two series corresponding to filling 4f orbitals is known as lanthanide series, or simply you can say lanthanons. For cerium 58 to 71 lutetium, lanthanide is 57, then after 58 cerium to 71. This is all called lanthanide series, right? Another one is the second series corresponding to the filling of 5f orbital is known as actinide, and this is simply 90 thorium 213 Lr lawrencium, right? So actinide is 89 and 90 thorium 2103. So now lanthanium, that means 57, and the next 14 elements, that is lanthanium is 57, and then next 14 elements, that is 58 to 71, which follow it are called lanthanides or lanthanones, બરાબર? આને આપણે શું કહીશું? Lanthanides, right? And these 15 elements closely resemble one another and form a separate group with lanthanium as the first member, hence named lanthanide and lanthaniums. The reason of the resemble with lanthanium so closely lie in their electronic configuration. So the configuration of lanthanium is, lanthanium no configuration શું હશે? Lanthanium 57. Xenon, that is a noble gas, 4f0 5d1 6s2. In the next 14 elements, 14 electrons are added one by one to empty. હવે જે next 14 electrons છે એ 4f માં 1 by 1 શું થશે? એડ થશે, બરાબર? 4f subcell to the lanthanum configuration, hence the configuration of cerium. Now cerium, that is 58 8. Now what is the electronic configuration of cerium? Cerium no electronic configuration શું થશે? 4f2 xenon, 4f2 5d0 6s2 and lutetium and respectively, right? Since the number of electron in the outermost as well as penultimate cell remains same, barabar? All the 15 elements of the lanthanide resemble one another very closely. Strictly speaking, only 13 elements from cerium to ytterbium of F block elements, because the lanthanum, the 4f subcell is still empty, right? Lanthanum માં 4f0 શું છે? still empty છે. while the lutetium ને જોઈએ ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક કન્ફિગ્યુરેશન lutetium, તો એનું શું છે? xenon 4f15 5d1 and 6s2, and the 4f subcell is completely filled, right? So all the elements of lanthanum to lutetium have a similar physical characteristic due to the same number of electrons. In the 5d and 6 subcell and 4f electrons responsible for difference, એટલે કે 4f માં changes થશે, 5d and 6s2 માં electrons as it is as ratio, right? Now we will see the electronic configuration of lanthanide. So first is atomic number, next name, next to symbol, and what is the electronic configuration. So lanthanum, what is the atomic number is 57. This is called lanthanum and that is symbol. And what is electronic configuration? 4f0 5d1 and 6s2. Next is 58 cerium, Ce, that is the symbol, and 4f2 5d0 and 6s2. Now lanthanum, the energy of 4f subcell falls below that of the 5d subcell. This means the electrons start to fill the 4f subcell before the 5d subcell, બરાબર? આની એનર્જી કેવી છે? ઓછી. નાવ સીરિયમ એમાં શું છે? તો કે 4f subcell નાવ આમાંથી શું થશે કે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ક્યાં ભરાશે? f સેલમાં, બરાબર? before the d, right? So electron configuration of these elements were preliminarily established based on the fact that each line in the emission spectrum reveals the energy changes. This is all because the energy changes, right? But fact of the problem is that the 4f and 5d subcell have very similar energy levels, which can make it hard to tell difference between two. Now 59, that is precudonium, precudonium, precudonium. These are the symbol 4f3 5d0 6s2. 60 is neodymium, neodymium, neodymium. The symbol is Nd, and electron configuration is 4f4 5d0 6s2. Now 61, this is called promethium, 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 right? So this is the symbol Pm 4f5, 5d0 and 6s2. Another one is 62. Samarium. 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 You can also say samarium, right? Symbol is SM. 4f6, 5d0 and 6s2. Now 63. Europium. EU. 4f7, 5d0, 6s2. Now 64. Gadolinium. Symbol is GD and electron configuration is 4f7, 5d1, 6s2. Now 65. That is called terbium. Symbol is TB and electron configuration is 4f9, 5d0, 6s2. Right? Another one is 66. Dysprosium. SPROCIUM. Symbol is dy. 4f10, 5d0, 6s2. Another one is 67. Holmium. 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 Symbol is HO. And electron configuration is 4f11, 5d0, 6s2. Now 68. This is erbium. ERBIUM. 4f12, 5d0, 6s2. Another one is 69. Thulium. THULIUM. Symbol is TM. 4f13, 5d0, 6s2. 17. Ytterbium. YTTERBIUM. Symbol is YB. 4f14, 5d0 and 6s2. Now last one is 71. Lutetium. Lutetium. LU. 4f14, 5d1 and 6s2. Right? So these all are the lanthanide. Lanthanium, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, germanium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, europium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. Right? So these all are the electronic configurations of lanthanide and actinides. Now, what are the position in the periodic table? આની પોઝિશન છે એ પિરિયોડિક ટેબલમાં ક્યાં છે? તમે પિરિયોડિક ટેબલ જોયું જ હશે, રાઈટ? તો આ બધા જે છે એ એફ બ્લોક એલિમેન્ટ્સમાં આવશે. 57 to 71 lanthanide series and 89 to 103E actinide series બરાબર. બટ આપણે અહીંયા સિલેબસમાં ઓનલી 4 lanthanide series ભણવાની છે. Now position in the periodic table. So these elements have been placed below the main part of the periodic table. એટલે કે આખું periodic table છે એનો main part ની નીચે આમને ગોઠવવામાં આવ્યા છે, right? So first is these elements have been placed below the main part of the periodic table, right? And the modern periodic table is based upon the modern periodic law. And the periodicity in the physical and chemical properties is the function of the electronic configurations, right? But further, the physical and chemical properties of an element are governed more by the number of arrangement of the electron in the outermost cell. એટલે કે જો મોડર્ન પિરિયોડિક ટેબલ છે એ તેના મોડર્ન પિરિયોડિસિટી લો દ્વારા ગોઠવવામાં આવ્યું છે, બરાબર, એની ફિઝિકલ અને કેમિકલ પ્રોપર્ટીઝના આધારે. બટ ફિઝિકલ અને કેમિકલ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ ઓફ એન એલિમેન્ટ્સ ઇઝ મોર governed by the number of arrangement of electron, એટલે કે એની આઉટર મોસ્ટ સેલના ઇલેક્ટ્રોનના આધારે ગોઠવવામાં આવ્યું છે. then the total number of electrons in the elements. Since એટલે કે the inner transitions element, the filling of the electron take place in the inner f orbital, such does not affect the electronic configuration of the outermost cell, right? So the property of the member of the lanthanide and actinide possess similar characteristic. So એમને ક્યાં ગોઠવવામાં આવ્યા? 4f ઓર્બિટલ્સમાં, right? So the separate position of the inner transitions outside the main part of the periodic table is justified. A little difference in the properties of the lanthanide or actinide do exist, which arise the consequences of lanthanide or actinide constructions, right? Now આની ડિસ્કવરી એન્ડ અકરન્સ શું છે? ભાઈ આ ડિસ્કવર કોને કર્યું છે lanthanide and actinides? તો કે the lanthanides were first discovered, the lanthanide were first discovered in 1787 when the unusual black minerals was found in Sweden. The minerals known as a gadolinite was later separated into various lanthanide elements, right? So now in 1794 Professor Gadolin obtained some impure oxide, right? Some impure oxide from the mineral. So in 1803 the cerium is first compound, right? In 1803 Berzelium and Kleffroth discovered the first cerium compound. In 1803 cerium is the first compound. And later Moseley and X-ray spectra of the elements to prove that there is a 14 elements between lanthanum and hafnium. એટલે કે એના પછી જે એક્સરે સ્પેક્ટ્રા દ્વારા આપણે જોયું તો એવું પ્રૂફ થયું કે આના પછી 14 એલિમેન્ટ્સ હજી એક્ઝિસ્ટ કરે છે, રાઈટ. લેન્થેનિયમ અને હોફનિયમ વચ્ચે. એન્ડ ધ રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ એલિમેન્ટ વેર લેટર સેપરેટેડ from the some minerals, and these elements were first classified by rare earth due to the fact of rare minerals. એટલે કે આના પછી ક્લાસિફાઈ કરવામાં આવ્યા રેર મિનરલ્સ તરીકે, રાઈટ. However, this can be misleading since the lanthanide elements have practically unlimited adamants. એના પછી some ores and minerals also we can find. So these are the lanthanide and actinides, how these are discovered, right. So our next topic is oxidation state of these elements. Till that, have a good day and thank you everyone.